Hello retro community and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for switching in. So I dug out another classic for the KIM-1. I found it in micro, June 1979. And the program is called the Tunesmith, which is basically a music creation composing tool for the KIM-1. Your KIM has to be equipped with a speaker. This switching diagram is described in the KIM manuals and can easily be made. I myself waited for the gadget board which arrived yesterday from China. Thank you, Liu, for being so fast. And here you see a little speaker. And so the program basically works by pushing the buttons A to F, and the G is the 9 because the 9 looks a bit like the G. Then you can set the length of the note, which is a full note, a half note, a quarter note, or an eighth note. And you can say if it's sharp or flat by pushing number 7, and by number 5 I think it is 1 octave above. So let's start the program. I typed it in, I loaded it already for you on my KIM-1. It starts at 200. You do not see anything, but it should work. An A, and it keeps repeating it. And if I think this is the right tone, I can save it. So and now the next one in E, C, E, maybe a bit higher, or ooh, this is disgusting. Or shorter. Funny. Seems to work. If I'm done, or I think I'm done with everything, I can... Let me show you. The first one was a C, and the next one was a D. And that's it. It works, actually. So if you like the program, you can download it from my GitHub. You can see Bach's head with my perfect body holding the KIM-1. And yes, have a nice time, have a nice weekend. See you, bye-bye.